Hello, everyone, and welcome to our 8th installment of 5 Modern Pillars to Success from Modern Slackers. I have a special treat for you guys. I have a very easy, and I mean easy side hustle where I have personally made $15,000 in 1 month testing this baby out. I'm so excited to share with you. This is for Respondent.io. Now, this company, what they do is very interesting. Bigger companies, software companies will hire you to test their apps to give reviews and feedback. Now, if you're an entrepreneur and you're well versed in a lot of different areas, this is where you're going to succeed. Okay. Now, I can't deny $15,000 a month for an hour meeting. Some of these I get $1,200 for one meeting. So this is a full review of the platform and why you should use it. Guys, this could even be for someone with no experience. There's so many different options to choose from. They throw different jobs. They throw different opportunities at you. I saw one for single moms, how to raise a child. Okay, so this is obviously for modern slackers. 5 modern pillars to success. Number 4 is entrepreneurship, guys. I'm not going to share my screen. You should know us by now. 100,000 Apple podcast listeners. Thank you to all my slackers because it's all because of you. Now I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and this is going to be a quick video, a very quick video, because it doesn't need much explanation. This is just a beautiful project, a little side hustle you can do at home. Okay, how do I want to just show that page, but it is not letting me. Here we go. Okay, guys, here's Responded.io. I'm going to give my referral link in the bottom. I believe that you get $75 or $20 or whatever when you sign up and complete at least $75. Now, here's some tips and tricks to make the most money out of this. One is keep your business profile, first off, complete it 100%. Second off, make sure that you sound well-versed in a lot of different areas. Go as general as possible because you'll get jobs that you can bullshit your way through. And no offense, Responded, if you're looking at this, a lot of the things you might have no experience on, but you can give great feedback. And this is absolutely a dream come true for a side hustle. $15,000 in 1 freaking month. I've sent this link over to so many people and nobody's done it. That tells me y'all idiots, man. Like you keep complaining about money. How can I make more money? I'm giving you the ways you can make more money sitting on your ass at home. All you need is an internet connection and Zoom. Now, here's what you can do. Look, see, $200 for this one. Have you worked in a call center? Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Everyone's worked in a call center. You can do filters, right? Show hidden projects. I always do remote. And then I slide my scale up, right? So I like to go for the $1,000 projects because I can offer great advice. Another great thing about this has led me to consultations with big freaking companies like Shopify and Fidelity Investments, where they're paying me on a retainer of $10,000 a month for a couple hours worth of work. I'm going to mute myself so I can take a drink. For everyone watching this on or listening to this on Apple Podcasts, I know that's where you are. Hop over to YouTube. Modern Slackers, just typing in will pop up number 1. So I'm just going to scroll down this list here, guys. There is something for everyone. This one's $150 for 60 minutes of your time. You're making over $100,000 a year if you do the calculation right. $400 for non-code machine learning platform. Any software developer should hop on that. They know what Ikkio is. Frustrated with your site search software? If you have an e-commerce store, $25, $35. That's not bad. That's $50 an hour. I mean, that's better than most people are making. And then you could just do one of these a week. I have a tip and a trick. I have a virtual assistant that applies to the best ones for me. I literally have a virtual assistant that shares that doesn't share that applies for me and finds me the best deals. So that's another thing is you can hire a guy in India for $5 an hour to do this for you every morning. But definitely hop on here, guys. I'm giving a visual representation of the different jobs. Here's one for call center platform, $200 for 60 minutes one-on-one remote. Okay, now we're going to go over to some. So here, what you're seeing is a job for Adobe. Guys, I use Adobe in a lot of parts of my life, so I could offer them incredible advice. And I also consult for them now. And this was just a stepping stone. They paid me $1,250 plus a $75 tip. I'm not sure why the other ones are not showing how much was paid, but they are all over $1,000. Okay, so if I were you guys, I would scout for the ones first off. If you really want to land these jobs, make your profile general, right? Second off, make sure that you're looking for the ones that have at least $100 for an hour. Okay. If you're not making $100 an hour in your life, you got to level the hell up. I don't know anyone in my inner circle that does not make more than $1,000 an hour. Again, if you're watching this, listening to this on Apple Podcast, our 100,000 listeners, thank you guys so freaking much. Hop on over to YouTube so you can see this visual representation. I'll share my referral link in the description. But it's just incredible. This platform has been the most successful I've had. You get 10 screeners a day, so 10 applications you can do a day. That's a lot of opportunities out there, guys. Quit complaining about money if you have money to be made, okay? I mean, $15,000 in 1 month. Guys, if you want a life that's luxurious, you got to do the work. This is the easiest way I've seen people make money. I've tested it myself. As you know, I test all side hustles. Spark delivery, $2,500 a week. Pressure washing, $2,500 a week. Respondent.io, $15,000 in a month. Come on. Guys, again, like I said, this is the shortest episode of Modern Slackers. 5 modern pillars to success. Please subscribe and like us. Leave a comment if you have tested this side hustle. Tell me when you get that job. DM me on Instagram at Modern Slackers. Let me know so I can appreciate you and show off your incredible work. Okay, I'm done hearing about, hey, I need a way to make money. Guys, I've listed out 5 different ways to make money on this podcast so far. You got to go make it happen for yourself. No one else is waiting for you. Nobody is waiting at the end of the line for you to say, oh, you finally did it. Nobody. So stop bitching. Look in the mirror, see a champion, and go attack the world. Because if you don't, the world is going to attack you. And if you don't know how to fight back, you're going down, baby. So thank you so much for watching. Go check out responded.io. I'll drop the referral link in the bottom. All right, peace, guys.